Hi there. Excellent move on getting through to the last and final step. Henry here, head of the technical division here at Profit Maker Software. Now, before we move forward, and before we get you totally set up, I want to show you exactly how our software works by offering you a taste of what to expect. So let's get to it. Now, by entering your information on the previous page, you've automatically opened an account with a trusted and recommended broker. You probably just received a confirmation email from this broker. You can also see the same broker account right on this page. Do you see your name at the top there? Great. And can you see your balance there too? Well, that balance is our money and the investment we made for you. The reason for this investment in you is to show you how the software works and how easy it is to use. By the way, after this quick presentation and once you activate your trader's account, you'll be able to keep our investment as a gift from us to you. Your account was funded with $50, but your balance shows a $10 since we've also placed a short-term trade for you with an investment of $40. Now, we selected a quick and short-term trade, so we don't take much of your time. Now, the software is set on autopilot, so at this stage, our part is done. But it's important that you know two things. One, you can set the software on autopilot or trade manually with our software. And two, I chose to place a $40 trade for you. But once you get full access, you can select lower or higher amounts based on your preference. Now, we've thought of everything, my friend, and have made the program the most comfortable and easy to use profit-making software in the world. Now, please stay focused since the trade will soon expire and you'll see the results live. Just a few seconds more. And that's it. Check out what our Profit Maker software has generated for you. $32 net profit in just a few seconds. And now your balance has increased to $82 total. Amazing, isn't it?